Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Bridans. If you're new here, karibu tena sana. So today we are going to do this wig install. I don't know if it's your first time on this channel, but on this channel we're trying to be very versatile, and I want to I know I have posted a video before this whereby I was installing a wig for going to a friend's event. Now this one I am installing it so that I can wear it the entire month. So yeah, so if you're new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, and let's dive into this video. It's going to be very interesting and fun, I promise. So let's dive into this video. You know how we do it, yeah? We dive.
If I was damaged, would you love me the same? Would you vanish, or would you?
So guys, today we are doing a wig install. What are those wigs? Yes, I have a new wig. I have a new unit. This is the color of my new unit, and this is the wig install we're going to do. It's not as bulky as my previous wigs, so you're going to see. But I am so excited today to be here with you guys. Like, I have been filming so many videos, but they didn't get to see the light of the day. Not because I didn't want to post or anything, but I've been editing, but my phone storage was kind of flipping, but we got that fixed. Yeah, so I keep on looking at myself on this phone, and I told him, let me just focus on the mirror, because so that you guys can see we are communicating. So hi guys, it's my birthday month, and I am so excited to do another wig install. This wig was bought like 3 weeks ago, but I didn't have the energy to install it then. Now that I have the energy, let's do it. So first thing first, as you can see, I did my cornrows, so my hair is clean and neat. So what I'm going to do is that I am trying to plait my hair to a way that I will reduce the bulging at the back, because the wig is, as you have seen, the wig is not as big as my previous wigs, so it doesn't have a lot of volume. I'm going to show you guys. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just swinging it. I'm not a pro of doing hair, so we are learning together, and I can tell from my previous videos that you guys love story time. So I was planning to do my pregnancy journey and how everything turned out. Then a lot of things, being home alone without my son, I thought actually I'd have freedom, I'd go places. Jokes on me, I honestly just wanted some calmness. So this is how I've done my hair. I hope you can see. Yeah, this is how I have done my hair. So let's continue. So like I was saying, oh, we need a wig cap. So I'm going to use this wig cap. It was sent with my previous wig, but I never got a chance to wear it or even glue it down. So oops. So I think the gel left the white cast, but I'm going to remove that. But let me show you my hair. So this is the hair that we are putting on. Do you love the color? Because I do love it. When I bought this wig, I asked them to like tint it for me, so that when I just come home, I just install it without any other issue. So they did that. This wig can actually be worn glueless, because you see this one is from ear to ear, but for me I am going to stick it down, and I'm going to use this ghost bond. So let's see how I do. So it has this lace at the back as well. Let me show you this lace, I am not sure if I should cut it yet, although I should. But I have never bought a wig that has a lace at the back, so I'm a bit conflicted whether I should cut it or I should install it as a 360 at the back, because I mean it's a lace, so I can just stick it and then when I wear it, it looks something like this. But again, I don't know. So since I'll be putting down my hair, I don't know whether I should cut it, but I've seen people cutting, so I'll just cut it, but not all of it, because I don't want to alter with a wig. So I'm just going to cut the lace until where the barrier is. Yeah, like so. I hope I've done it well. I've never bought a wig with a lace at the back, so I've maintained this because when I wear, that is what is going to like look, but I'm not going to like put it all of it. So it's not like I'm doing a what is it called, a ponytail, no, so no one is going to see, but I've managed to remove this. And so let's wear this wig and let's see how it goes, because I was nervous buying this color. Although I have done so many braids before of this color, I was a bit nervous about it. So this hair doesn't have hooks. I love it because it doesn't have hooks. However, you can wear it glueless. Like I can just cut my lace and go. But do you see the hair, guys? Do you see the hair? But because I am a bit extra, I am going to lay it down. So one thing about me, before I lay my hair, I ensure that I have a clean base, so that when I put my wig, everything is going to be okay. So I'm using these cotton pads. I'm just hoping they're not going to be like the previous ones. I bought this one at, I think, True Cosmetics. Yeah, so yeah, let me just, yeah, I think this is the best. Yeah, these ones are the best ones, not like my previous ones. Those ones were just a hot mess, and I can actually do that and just close them. So what I'm going to do is remove all the precipitates and making sure that we are working with a clean surface. As you can see, it's not leaving any white cast. Like the other one would leave its pieces all over my head. So I'm making sure that the wig is well centered so that we can apply. Yeah. So I'm not touching the one that I applied on the hair. I'm just making sure that it actually dries off. Then I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. So this also reminds me of another thing. I have hair that my sister bought me, I think last year but one, I can't really recall well. I have a very blunt memory, but I remember that she got me hair, but I have never worn it. It's a half wig. It's not a full wig. Yeah, so if you know, you know. It's a half wig, so I need to like go and get it installed. I'm looking for someone you can recommend that can actually do a good install of a half wig. It's not a T-part, it's just half, so that it like they leave half of my hair like just here in front, then they install it from behind. You can cornrow, then you do your thing, and then yeah, you just, you know, when I do it I'm going to show you. But since I'm going to install this hair, this one is really disturbing me, I need to just do that, to just make them lay so that I don't like end up messing the wig. So after that is done, guys, and we have cleaned our surface, I'm going to open our ghost bond, and I don't know how to do this. I have never used it before, but I don't know why the seal is broken. I don't know why the seal is broken. Yeah. For those that buy this, it doesn't have a smell, thank God. So I'm going to pretend like I'm an expert. So I want to put my hair that way. I hope it's not like way back, and then I'm going to like spread this glue. I haven't applied too much. I don't like sleeping with hair, but I think I'm going to do this one for like a day. I don't know what's happening. It's a new one that's coming out weirdly, which I'm surprised with. Yeah. So I saw people doing this, and I'm not going to do so many layers. I'm just going to do a very thin layer, let it dry out clear, and then these parts are drying. So I saw someone saying when you do this technique, you can either use a hair blow dryer or just give it some time to like be clear, or you can drink cold water to regulate your ice cold water to regulate your temperature. That's my So it has dried out, not fully, but I think I can work with that. So I'm going to add another layer.
Baby, I told you I can be there if you just want somebody to hold you. Tell me come over, I'll be there right away at your door like a Jehovah. But you saw him perfectly perfect. I'll be there to reinstate that you worth it.
I'll not give it all the time in the world. I think next time I should apply one layer. So I'm going to put it like this. Making sure that the hair is where it's supposed to be. Then take this, put it here. And funga it like that. Then I give it like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to set my timer, and then we're going to be right back when I'm going to be removing this band so that we can cut the lace, melt it the second time if we need to. Then we're going to see. So the purpose of this is to make sure that the hair actually the lace attaches to my scalp, and then I'm going to cut it and then melt it, but melting will not take very long. Yeah, and this thing is bugging me, so bye. Yeah, so let's give it time. But guys, I'm going to look like this month. Like, it's my birthday month and I wanted to do like a color that I've never done in my life as a wig, and I think I love it. This hair was actually styled, but I'm going to style it further. I'm not going to add like curls because I don't have a curling iron yet, but I'm going to use my flat iron to make it sure that it lay well. Yeah, and this is how we look. Can you take a selfie? Yeah, I'll be right back. So we have been melting this hair for a few minutes, like we just wanted it to lay. Now I'm going to like remove this band, and then we can cut down the lace. Ooh. So this is how it looks. Like, it has really glued down, like it's not going anywhere, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to like cut down this lace. So you know the method. I cut on my forehead, yeah, till there. I'm going to cut like 4 times, like so, and then this other side. So we have like 4 parts to cut, which is going to be very easy. And I have noticed that we have like an excess lace, so good thing today we're not cutting any hair. So we're going to cut this part. So you have to make sure that it's actually, when you're cutting it, you make sure it's vertically and not straight. So I want to like see where it's here. We're going to add more glue if it doesn't stick, but we need to cut this lace. See? Then here. So your ears has to be out. Then this excess piece, you cut it. Just like that. It's out. Now the same thing goes here, but this is my best side. so. See, don't cut your ears. So you have to make sure that your ear, especially if you wear glasses, if you don't do this, you're not going to like have your, I don't want to cut my hair again, have your glasses in place, and we have it out. Okay, that one came with a little hair, but don't worry, as long as our ears can poke through. So now we have the flexibility of now cutting how we want it. So I'll start with my razors. Remember, we don't cut straight, we cut in zigzag motion. Yeah, don't worry about that. You see? So this part I'm going to like make it melt further, and then we go in the middle. Have to make sure that you cut very close to the hairline, but don't cut in a straight line. Cut it in a zigzag motion, like so. See? You see the uniformity? Don't worry guys, we are going to melt the lace, and it's going to be very easy because we've cut it so well. Yeah, then you just lift it, the same thing. You cut very close to the hairline, but don't cut the hair. It will be very easy to reinstall this hair if we do it the right way. See? Okay, so we have that. Then now the last part, I'll start from here because I think I have like cut it some less. Then we continue the same bits, same method, same style. So it actually looks like almost the color of my scalp because of the tints. So I'm very careful I don't like cut the hair thinking I'm cutting the lace. Yeah, so this is what we have, and it just looks the way it looks. So what we are going to do is, okay, here we're going to cut a little so that we remove it from these parts, the ear parts. Yeah, I think that's okay. That's okay, we can work with that. So this is how it has turned out, guys. So now this is the most crucial part. I'm going to be using this as my melting spray, and I'm going to use a brush. So I'm going to be using a brush, a little bit of the darkest powder that I have because I don't want to use the same color. So I'll be using my my Cara Beauty, and then I'm going to go with the darkest. Which one do you think is the darkest shade? So I'm thinking this one. So I'm going to use this color. I'm going like to scrape it off just a little until I get what I want. It's going on my top. Oh, it's going on my top instead of the, like, I want it to get it in the cup. So I have it in the cup. Now I'm going to add my my melting spray, and I'm using this CSR. Yeah. Where is the glue? Where is the powder? I've sprayed it and it has gone. Yeah. So I'm going to add the powder again. Yeah. So I have enough powder. I'm going to like mix until I get the consistency I want. So I have this. Now I'm going to use this to melt this lace. Do you see how the lace is melting away? Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to like spray it and tie it down. So you use the darkest that you have, like 2 or 3 shades darker. So I've used the same color that we used for our tints, but I don't have the tint, so the tinting was done with the golden, is it golden eyes or golden beauty? I'll tag the page. I bought 2 units from them, and honestly don't regret. Yeah, they're the best when it comes to this. And you pay before they deliver. So they're not a scam. I've bought twice, so I can tell you for a fact that they deliver. Yeah. So you can spray directly, but I don't like doing that because spraying directly will give you a lot of unwanted outcome. Yeah. So I'm adding my spray with the tints as well. This is the second layer. So remember what we did with the ghost bond? We still need to like make sure it's dry before we close it. So after doing that, we're now going to again let me remove this hair. It's so stuck. It's not going anywhere. Tight. So after closing it down for some time, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. Oh, my lord. Okay, I'm going to remove this white thing, but how did we do? I love it. I love it. Oh my god. I do. I love it. Okay, so this is the hair. This is the hair. Yeah, it's a new hair, so I don't need to comb it from down. But as you can see, we had already removed this baby hair. They removed it for me. So I'm just going to like perfect this part. Like I'm telling you, this hair came like 2 weeks ago. So we are going to perfect this line. Today I'm going to show you how I'll style it. It was actually styled before, so I'm just going to perfect it. We said it's a 13 by I don't know why am I really struggling with this phone today. So it's a 13 by 4. Yeah, so we have this part that I really didn't want it to be, you know, this part, and then we have this other part. So from the comment below, you'll tell me which among the wigs that I've showcased so far you like, and which install you prefer, this one or the two that I did. Remember, I was an amateur and I think I'm getting a hang of it because oh my god, I really love this. But before we style, I'm going to take like some cotton pad, then I put some micellar water, and then I clear a little bit of residue. It's not a lot, so that I don't touch the lace. I'm going to like put it here like so, then I just wipe where the lace isn't, like just here. Don't want to have gum on my face. Yeah, that way. Yeah, so we are done. Now we can style. I have my hot comb, which I'm going to connect on my power source, and then I'm going to like show you how it goes. I have so many things connected now. So I bought it for like 600 bob. It doesn't like heat like a commercial one, so it's safe for your wigs, especially if you're doing semi-human or synthetic. It doesn't have a lot of heat, so I'm going to set it to the highest setting so that it can hit, and then we are going to use it to style this hair. And that's it. So these are the parts. We're just going to like apply some oil, and I'm using this serum. So this serum, it smells so good. I just feel like it's very small, like I feel like it's a very small hair. Okay, not to brag or anything, but I have a lot of hair on my head, so when I'm doing such a small hair, it feels a little bit different. Yeah, my hair is actually a lot than this one, and I've also done like just the, what are they called, the bulky wigs, like the one that I had, it had a lot of volume. This one has not a lot of volume, but I love it because it's not heavy, not heavy on my head. Yeah, so is it it's actually what is it called, it's shading but not too much, very little. And this is the hair, guys. So to make it look perfecto, I am going to remember these hairs that were disturbing me when I was trying to install these two baby hairs. I'm going to get them out, and then I'm going to apply my gel, my wig gel, so that we can have some baby hairs. So it was already like pulled out, but they never applied anything, so that's why I'm like struggling to get them. So next time I'm going to give them a strict instruction. And then I have some stencils that I got, and I'm going to use this to like cut it further, because I feel like they just cut it and so it doesn't have like a dimension. So I'm going to use this stencil for the one that I've pulled, and then I'm doing that. Yeah. So now that we have this, I'm going to like hot comb it. Hopefully I don't cut myself. I don't burn myself. It's because I'm just from cutting hair. Okay, so I want to remove it, all of it. All of it. All of it. All of it. Is there another one, guys? Can you see any? Yeah, you can see one here.
Baby, I told you I can be there if you just want somebody to hold you. Tell me come over, I'll be there right away at your door like a Jehovah.
So we have this hair. This hair. But I'm going to use this again. Then I'm just to put it here on my hand. I'm going to wipe it off because it actually sticks. So let's get this hair out. See how they're behaving now after applying it? Yeah. Do we have another one? Yeah. Have another one. Next time I'll tell them not to cut it for me. I'll cut it myself. I don't want to make it very ridiculous. Just want a very small baby hair. I love it. I love it. I do. I love it. Here, let me move all you so that you can tell me. So this is how the hair has turned out, and I'm not going to do anything crazy. Nah, this is how the hair has turned out. And honestly, guys, I love this install. I think I have done installs before, but I feel like I have nailed this one. What do you think? So this is how it has turned out. Yeah. So you've seen, you don't have to pay 1,500, 1,000 in town to get your hair installed. You can actually do it in the comfort of your own home. So if you're new here again, please remember to subscribe on my channel, and thank you very much for joining this family. We are doing so many things, so you might get confused, but I promise I'm just exploring. I'm just exploring, but so far so good. I think we will stick to our makeup and wig installation and maybe cooking and sort of vlog. Like I said, this is my birthday month, so I would want to like do so many things at once, and I hope and I pray that I'm able to do that. So my comb has been heating, so I'm just going to lay this part there, and then there.
Baby, I told you I can be there if you just want somebody to hold you. Tell me come over, I'll be there right away at your door like a Jehovah. But you saw him perfectly perfect. I'll be there to reinstate that you worth it. All of my lessons I learned them. Now when it comes to my
So I would have used a wax stick, but as you can see, it's already like laid, so I don't need a wax stick. So I'm just like doing this. Also, you can lift it by like making here, then do something like that. I'm becoming a pro. I am becoming a pro. Yeah, so that's what you do with your beautiful hair. So this hair was 3,500 only, guys, and this is how we'll be looking for this month. Like I said, it's my birthday month. I might switch the hair during my birthday, I don't know, but so far so good. This is our install and I love it. I love this install. I can literally walk like this. Let me just show you at the back how it looks. So this is how the hair looks like. I wanted more curls, but I can actually add it. But as you can see, it looks so good, so good. Yes. And yeah, I love this hair. So we've come to the end of this video, and I'm very excited with how the hair has turned out, guys. Like, this is our third install on this channel, and so far so good. I can vouch for myself and say, hey Brie, we are learning and we are taking it a step at a time. And I'm sure, like, I was just from a video call with my family, and they were like, are you the one who has installed it, or you had it installed? And I was like, I'm the one. And they were like, oh my god, it looks so good. So I'm hoping you're also seeing the same, because I've really worked on watching all those videos. If we go on TikTok right now, my account is just like massive. Like, when I scroll, the first hair wig install, bald cap method, but today the bald cap did not bald cap. I love my hair. And guys, go patronize Golden Crown on Instagram and on TikTok. They are always on live during the day, so you can get there, tell them you want this hair or the previous hair that you've seen me wearing, the chocolate brown one. The black one was not from them, but I intend to get another black hair soon, which you're going to install with you guys. But for my birthday month, I'm going to look like this. So I love my hair. So if you're seeing me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and God bless you. Always welcome. And let's, wait for the other one. Bye.